This right here is one of the best looking boats on the water. My name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax and Stuart. Today we're going to give you guys a quick walkthrough of this 2025 305 LXF Scout. Beautiful thing about Scout is it's very recognizable from the way they look. Beautiful sheer line, big Carolina bow flare. It's truly a boat that can be recognized by anyone. This particular boat, 305 Scout, has the full midnight package, so black hull side, black piping, black engines. We're power matched with twin Mercury 300 V8s with joystick control. Let's hop on board and we'll give you a quick walkthrough. Scout does a great job of just combining family features with fishability as well. So starting here in the back, we have a great transom seat, so it's fully built into the boat. Armrests, storage underneath, so great when you're out cruising the water with family and friends. For fishing, as you can see, we have a great spacious cockpit, fish boxes off the port starboard side. We do have a live well underneath this seat. A great prep station, stainless steel sink, storage, pull-out Yeti cooler underneath. And then for your sandbar days or fishing days, we do have a portside dive door that swings in. As we move forward to the helm, we have a fully equipped, great electronics. So we have two 16-inch Garmin screens, inductive charging for your phone, Mercury vessel view dedicated to your engine data, Mercury joystick with all the great features you guys are used to, joystick, skyhook, Mercury throttles with active trim, and then a just great layout here at the dash. So we have a fully integrated 3-piece windshield, provides nice protection when you're out running the boat. As we move forward to the bow, we have a very spacious area. So we have integrated backrests, very, very comfortable seating. We do have a slot right here to install a bow table, and then a great lounger here with storage underneath. And point of use storage, we have our teak bow table stored closely to where you're going to use the table. As we circle around to the port side, we do have a very spacious cabin area. This boat does have air conditioning, both in the cabin, but then also up at the helm as well. Again, this is a quick walkthrough of the 2025 305 LXF Scout. My name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax. Come by and take a look or give us a call, 561-635-6811. Thank you very much.